In this video, I'll be sharing one thing I learned from Alex Hormozi's video yesterday. He was talking about volume. He said something about most businesses would rather use another idea or another tool and leave what's already working. So for instance, maybe content marketing is already working for you. Maybe you're creating creatives, you are creating content online, it's already working, helping your business. You'll be like, instead of you doing more of that, so instead of you, most businesses would rather go for another thing, maybe like social media marketing. I am just saying, you stated something like that, like in that scenario. So if something is already working for you, take for instance, maybe content marketing is already, as I've said earlier, it's working for you. He said, I'm quoting Alex now. He said instead of you going for another thing at that moment, although you can still go for it, but put more effort into what is already working. For instance, now maybe you are making a video a day and you are seeing a lot of traction, you are making sales, you are getting calls, it's a service where I hiring you, it is a product, people are buying your product. So instead of you trying to do social media marketing, he said you can still do it, but focus more on what is already working. Take for instance now, let's say you are making one video a day, and at the end of a day, and at the end of the month, you are making $1,000, for instance. So that means that if you can make 3 videos a day for the whole month, that means the tendency that you make was $2,500 to $3,000. So instead of you starting something new, why not focus on what is already working? Mostly everybody, as a copywriter, maybe as a marketer or as a business owner, that is our common language. Let's say, let me use a copywriter as an example. Maybe you are sending Instagram DM to reach out to clients, and you're already getting some traction. Probably you're booking 2 to 3 clients a month, and you are reaching out to, let's say, maybe 50 clients per week. That's maybe 200 a month, right? So instead of you going to other platforms, maybe like email market, email outreach, or going to YouTube, or going to other platforms to start your research, why not put in more effort? And instead of you sending 50 DMs, why not send 100 or 150 DMs a week and get more clients? Instead of you going, because you already see what's already working. And one thing is that if something is working, you are learning your failures and you're learning what's making you succeed. Most people are used to the act of, let me try another thing, maybe it will work more, and they forsook what is already working. So Alex is trying to tell us that don't stop what is working. Although you can try whatever it is that you want to try as well, but don't stop what is working. Even make more of that. If content marketing is working for you, maybe you are getting like true content. Maybe you are not preaching, but people are seeing your content and and it resonated well with them. Don't go to preaching right now. Do more of content. Do more of creative. Put yourself more out there. If you are doing one video a day, do content. Start by doing 3 a day and see the difference. Because doing 1 video a day is getting you results. If you do 3, he made mention of his recent book launch that he did. That he sold, is it 2 or 3 million copies within 72 hours, and he made $105 million. Yeah. So he said, how did that come about? He said he did a lot of art. That is, he knows what is already working for him. He knows that art works a lot for him. So he said he did 2,000 arts, but they created 2,800. That's 2,800 arts. But they used 2,000 ads. So he understands that this is working for him. So he said we should count it 1, 200, 200, 1,000, 2,000 ads for that book launch. That's why he could sell up to like 2 to 3 million, making $105 million. And they broke the world record, which is selling non-fiction book selling huge amount of non-fiction book within 72 hours. That's never happened before. Why? How did that happen? Because they know what's already working and they put more effort into it. Now you want to create a webinar. You only run maybe 3-5 ads. Will you compare your results with Alex's results? No, it's not possible. So volume is very necessary. Sit down, the way I'm doing now. Sit down. What's already working? What's working for you that you think is working for you? Go ahead and do more of what is working for you. So maybe it's a career. Maybe the way you get clients is when you go to parties, or when you go to conferences, seminars. That's how you get clients. But because you think that's stressful, hire more people to do that for you. So you can hire people to help you go to other conference center. The way you've been doing your own and you're getting clients, I tell them to do that same thing, and you get more clients. So more volume of what is already working is more preferable to doing what you don't know will work or will not work. So that's what Alex is telling us. Volume. Do more volume of what's already working. You're already seeing traction. You're already seeing traction in a place. Focus on that, and by the side you can be doing what you think is okay. But that one shouldn't be the main thing that you're not directing your whole staff or your whole organization to start doing. Because one thing is that when they are stressed out, they have to like reset their brain to start learning a new thing. This is the system that is already working. They are already learning, they are becoming better at it. You get? Alex said he made more money when they are doing boring things. That is, when they are stagnant, when they are not changing things, because people are becoming better at what they do. When you are reading a book, when you read the first time, you won't get much. When you read the second time, you start getting. When you read the third time, the fourth, the fifth, the seventh time, you and the book are already becoming partners. Why? Because you are doing it consistent. You are doing it in volume. You are doing it very well. So the more you can push yourself out there, the more you get the result that you are looking for. Doing volume. Whatever it is that you're doing, do it in volume. Don't that you already see that it's working. That's why I said that is working. It must be working. It's not like you are doing something and you've checked for why it's not working. So why are you still there? You should have tried some other things. But if something is already working, you are getting some result, do it in volume. If it is art, do it in volume. If it is social media marketing, do it in volume. If it is sending emails to clients through email outreach, do it in volume. If it is cold calling, do it in volume. Whatever it is that you are doing, do it in volume. Do it way more than anybody else. If you see someone doing it 3 times, do your own 10 times. Because they are already doing some 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 others that you are not seeing. The one that you're seeing is that 3 that you're seeing. So do it in volume. Yeah, it's not easy. But for it to be the top 0.01%, you have to do what the top 0.01% should be doing. Yes, check. That's why I think I learned it from Alex. He said, if you want to become successful at anything, look at the top people that are successful already in that niche and try and copy whatever it is that they're doing and do it more than them. So that's how you become successful. Success doesn't come to success is not a luck. You merit success. So when you merit it, you get it. That's what I saw yesterday, and I was like, what? This is what's sharing, and I think it will benefit a lot of people. So thank you.